How Islamic practices can help with depression and anxiety. Anxiety and depression are some of the most common challenges faced today. But what if the solution lies in reconnecting with faith? A recent study in Malaysia reveals how Islamic-based interventions can make a profound difference in mental health. This study focused on an intervention called Rasafi, Remembrance and Seeking Allah's Forgiveness Intervention. Over 15 weeks, participants engaged in guided practices rooted in the Quran and Sunnah. The results? A significant reduction in anxiety and depression. For men, depression scores dropped significantly with a high effect size. For women, anxiety levels also saw substantial improvement. These findings highlight the healing power of remembrance, repentance, and trust in Allah. The intervention included activities such as reciting and listening to the Quran, seeking forgiveness through heartfelt dua, spiritual education to strengthen trust in Allah. Each session lasted an hour and focused on spiritual growth, reflection, and relaxation techniques. Scientific evidence supports this approach. Listening to the Quran has been shown to calm the mind, reduce stress, and enhance relaxation. Seeking Allah's forgiveness fosters hope, while trust in Allah alleviates the burden of guilt and worry. Faith-based interventions integrate spiritual practices into mental health care, addressing the soul alongside the mind and body. It is also stated in Quran, "Those who believe and whose hearts find comfort in the remembrance of Allah. Surely in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find comfort. Those who have believed and whose hearts are assured by the remembrance of God." This research reminds us of Islam's holistic approach to healing. By trusting in Allah, seeking forgiveness, and embracing patience, we can find relief and resilience in the face of life's challenges. If you or someone you know is struggling with anxiety or depression, consider incorporating faith-based practices into your routine. Reach out to knowledgeable guides and explore the beauty of Islamic teachings for mental well-being. Faith and science together offer a path to healing. Let's share this knowledge and help others find peace.